This is where we're at.
Lake Erie. Sun's coming up. Geese are out there. People on the beach walking their dogs. We pulled off at this little boat ramp here, and so we could see the lake, because even though we were riding parallel with the lake, they have trees all along the lake where you can't really see the beauty of it. People walking their dog on the beach, or dogs. Got some ducks out there. There's the lighthouse up on the hill. Got the harbor going out to Lake Erie. Got a boat going out there. Got the boats in the harbor over there. Beautiful area. Nice little stop to be able to see the lake.